In this video, I will show you how to complete Upwork profile. If you don't already have an Upwork account, sign up for one using your email address or log in if you already have an account. After that, fill in basic details such as your name, location, and professional headline. Your headline should be descriptive and highlight your main skills or expertise. Upload a professional profile picture that clearly shows your face. This helps clients connect with you and build trust. Next, craft a compelling profile overview that summarizes your skills, experience, and what you can offer to clients. Highlight your unique selling points and why clients should hire you. Add relevant skills to your profile that showcases what you are proficient in. Choose skills that match your expertise and the services you offer. Also include details of your previous work experience, including job titles, employers, and descriptions of your roles and responsibilities. Highlight achievements and projects that demonstrate your skills. Showcase your work by adding samples, portfolios, or links to previous projects. This allows clients to see examples of your work and assess your capabilities. Determine your desired rate for hourly or project-based work. Consider factors such as your skills, experience, industry standards, and the value you provide to clients. After that, complete identity verification to build trust with clients and increase your credibility on Upwork. This may involve providing additional documentation such as a government-issued ID or video verification. Fill in any additional sections on your profile, such as education, certifications, languages spoken, and employment history. Provide as much relevant information as possible to make your profile stand out. Once you have completed all sections, review your profile to ensure accuracy and relevance. Make any necessary edits to refine your profile and make it as compelling as possible. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.